More load, more power. Designed for high production, lower costs, and increased efficiency. Built with a rugged construction to withstand the harsh conditions of your site, it features a number of improvements over the previous model, including 5% less payload and higher torque. One of the most impressive features of this powerful machine is its ability to easily cut even large diameter trees and dense vegetation. This makes it possible to carry out cleaning operations quickly and efficiently. This machine is often used to control vegetation in forest areas, roadsides, and other areas. These machines are generally used to transport heavy loads in large mines, quarries, and open pits. One of the most striking features of the truck is its enormous payload capacity. This truck is one of the largest trucks in the industry with a payload capacity of 360 tons. This allows large amounts of material to be transported quickly, making mining operations more efficient. One of the most impressive features of this huge machine is its ability to reach inside its large bucket. This makes it possible to carry out large amounts of material transportation and digging quickly and efficiently. The working principle of EX8000 is quite simple. The operator manages the machine through controls in the large and ergonomic cabin. Thanks to its powerful hydraulic systems, the excavator fulfills the large bucket and exhibits high performance while transporting the material. Have you seen such a monster machine before? One of the most notable features of this truck is its large payload capacity. It has a payload capacity of over 100 tons, making it possible to carry out large-scale transport operations quickly and efficiently. This crane amazes people with its features that push the limits. The lifting capacity is truly incredible. Its ability to lift loads of 1,350 tons makes it indispensable in large construction projects. This enormous power provides an extraordinary advantage in the construction of tall buildings and bridges. This crane also has a unique structure. Having a structure that can support itself during assembly makes the assembly process much easier. This crane can easily lift even 220 tons of weight. This is enough to make it number one among medium-sized cranes. The lifting operations performed with this crane are like a demonstration. However, the unique carrying features of the LTR 1220 are also remarkable. The crane has the feature of being self-supporting, which makes the assembly process much easier. It is a giant crawler dozer used in the mining and construction industries and attracts attention with its extraordinary features. This powerful machine is designed for use in large amounts of material handling and trimming and can impress audiences with its features. One of the most impressive features of the PR776 is its enormous power and lifting capacity. This crawler dozer can demonstrate high performance even in difficult terrain conditions. Additionally, thanks to its unique hydraulic system, it can handle large amounts of material handling and trimming operations quickly and efficiently. This truck becomes a legend with its extraordinary features and enormous carrying capacity. First of all, the payload capacity of the T284 is outstanding. This giant truck can easily carry even 363 tons of weight. This makes it one of the largest trucks in the industry, dazzling not only with its size, but also with its power. The crazy features and impressive performance of this big machine fascinate the audience. One of the most notable features of the R9800 is its enormous digging capacity. This excavator can dig and transport large amounts of material with its huge bucket. Additionally, thanks to its unique hydraulic systems, it provides strong and precise control. Dynamic compaction is a ground improvement technique that densifies soils and fill materials by using a drop weight. The ground is subjected to repeated surface tamping using a heavy steel and concrete weight. Typically, the tamper weighs between 5 and 10 tons, dropping in free fall from heights of up to 10 meters. Huge machines are needed for this process. With a 360-ton payload capacity, the Panther Series 2 can safely transport even the largest loads in the industry. Its wide platform and solid structure enable large weights to be carried in a balanced manner. The design of this carrier has been considered to enable easy loading and unloading of cargo. Powerful engines and high-performance hydraulic systems allow carrying loads with high precision. It is a huge electric shovel excavator used in the mining industry and reflects the power of a giant. The crazy features and impressive performance of this big machine fascinate the audience. This excavator can dig and transport large amounts of material with its huge bucket. Additionally, thanks to its unique hydraulic systems, it provides strong and precise control. Caterpillar D4 is a work machine frequently used in heavy industrial areas such as construction and mining. This machine is designed to level soil, move materials, and handle other heavy tasks with ease. These machines, which are Caterpillar's engineering marvels, show superior performance even in harsh working conditions, thanks to their powerful engines and durable chassis. You won't believe your eyes. Introducing one of the giants of the industrial world, Sleipner E550. Powered by its 770 horsepower engine, this machine stands out from its competitors with its 550-ton load carrying capacity. This provides superior performance in large-scale transport operations. This system provides fast and efficient transportation between mining sites, thus reducing operating costs while increasing the productivity of enterprises. This platform is equipped with a loading bucket or similar equipment that is placed on the load to be transported and moves on a wheeled chassis. The loaded load can be carried on the platform and delivered to the target area quickly. The Stark TL5030 is a powerful tractor and runs on fuel to run. The operator sits behind the steering wheel of the tractor and operates it from the control panel. When the engine starts, the tractor is ready to move. It can work with a variety of equipment designed for use in fields such as tractors, agriculture, or construction. For example, if it is to be used for agriculture, agricultural implements can be attached to the tractor and agricultural work can be started. If used on the construction site, the tractor can be used to transport various loads. The Liebherr R9800 is a huge excavator designed specifically for mining and large construction projects. This machine provides high efficiency and powerful performance by being used in mines and large construction sites. The R9800 works by digging and carrying the soil with a huge bucket as it works. This process is carried out thanks to the excavator's powerful hydraulic systems. The operator sits in an ergonomic cabin and controls the excavator from the control panel. The D575A is capable of moving large amounts of soil thanks to its powerful engine and large mass. These bulldozers are generally used in jobs that require high efficiency and powerful performance. The working principle of these machines is quite simple. The operator sits in a large, comfortable cab and controls the bulldozer from the large control panel. The D575A's hydraulic systems allow the operator to do jobs more efficiently.